Here is an interactive tour in 360-degree format. The buttons that switch the environment are pictures downloaded from the internet. Let's see how to work with images in Varwin. Prepare images in JPEG or PNG format. It could be a picture of your cat or dog or friend or sports team, anything you like. Drag the file into the Varwin window. The picture can now be found in the Resources section of the library. Let's place the image in the scene. Launch 3D Editor by clicking on Edit on Desktop. Find your image in the Resources section of the 3D Editor and drag it into the location. Place a simple light bulb object nearby. We'll use it to show you how to turn an image from the internet into an interactive switch trigger for some following actions or events. Let's create a simple program. Save the scene, minimize the 3D Editor window, and go to the Logic Blockly Editor. Find the image object in the Object section and drag the DONUSESTART event block into the working area. Then find a block that turns on a simple light bulb and place it into the event. Done! Save the logic and click Preview on desktop or in VR to see the result. Use image and other media objects to create interactive tours. Join our Discord community to chat with other developers and learn awesome VR development hacks.